What was that?
Upstairs.
Okay.
Having a good time.
All right. We have started cutting down all these bushes back here on this side of the house, opening it up. I guess this would be the north side of the house. And we're going to try a new plan of getting up to the roof on this flat roof, which is totally gone, and the floor underneath of it in this part of the house is totally gone. So we're going to work with that and try to get in there, clear a path for some scaffolding to get up there. So yeah, so these trees have been here a while, but it's time for them to go.
There's lots of trees in there.
And mosquitoes and everything else.
Yeah.
All
Did
right.
you show them the trailer?
Yeah, I did. So,
That's
and
what we've been doing.
yeah, that's about 15 minutes worth of work. Frank's been busy, so. Woo!
This is what happens when Dad gets a hold of the chainsaw. Alright, so we cleared out all of the trees and brush and hedges and stuff that was back here, and so it looks much nicer.
She looks a little different without all that brush there. I don't think that side of the house has seen sun in a few years. That's the back side of the kitchen. This is a hallway. That was the safe room. The floor is gone in this room. This was a bathroom, and that is very sketchy right in there. That flat roof above there is totally gone. That roof is falling, protecting the stained glass window. We did not cut that tree down because it's supporting the porch.
What? Hi Matthew, what are you doing?
It looks like I'm doing
Playing in poison ivy.
poison ivy's over there. This is just regular ivy,
Right.
I think.
Okay.
I'm 99% sure that I'm not gonna break out in a rash,
Okay.
but there's always a possibility.
Yeah. Okay.
But I mean, can you look how thick these vines are?
This is what he's been peeling off from around this tree. You can see his path of destruction.
It's all coming.
Yeah. Whoa.
Woo! There's no poison ivy in that, Matthew? Yep.
Woo. Good job.
Whoa. I took a tree off the tree.
Yeah. So that is basically what it looked like before he got a hold of it. And this is what it looks like after he got a hold of it. Hey Matthew, what are you doing?
I am cutting down more branches
Some more branches.
and a bit of sapling.
Okay. Yeah.
Trying not to touch
That's,
poison ivy.
yeah, that's what he did to the tree the other day. And now he's working on this one. And it looks great. So, looking good.
Thank you.
Hey everybody! Thanks so much for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos for you, and if you enjoy watching them, remember, you can always like and subscribe. Until next time!
Tight.